Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We're here at the Dental People with Dr. Vichika Gaddam.
Yes.
Thank you,
Hello,
doctor, for
Ron.
having me today.
Thank you for having
She's
me as well.
located at 3197 Stevenson Boulevard, Fremont, California,
Yes.
94538. You can reach her at 510-252-0555. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Ron.
It's a pleasure and it's my honor to be here today.
Thank you.
So, doctor, let me just start with some questions here. How long you been in the practice and what brought you to Fremont?
I have been a resident of Fremont since 2016. I got this office. I have been in this office for past 1 year, but I have been practicing as a dentist in the Bay Area for past 10 years. So when I found this office close in the community where I am living, I saw myself working here and serving my community. So that brought to me to this practice.
Wow. Yeah, and as you know, we are patients here, right, of the old
Yes,
practice, and
correct.
you took over, and we're so happy that
Oh,
you did.
thank you, Ron.
Yeah, we have so much great experiences with you. My whole family is here,
Thank you.
so I'm so glad that you are our new dentist now.
Thank you for believing in
Thank
me.
you. So, doctor, how would you say what differentiate your practice to other dentists in the area?
I see my practice as a non-judgmental practice because we go through different phases in our life, and then sometimes dental care is not our first priority. So when a person walks into my practice, I don't judge the patient. Hey, this patient didn't take care of their teeth properly. I see them as a overall human being, and then address their concerns accordingly, and then provide the best dental care I can to that patient person. So that is how I differentiate my practice from the others. No judgment-free environment, and also I provide my services or the care to my patients just like how I take care of my family and my friends. So I take that very seriously because whenever I go to any other place where I get my services done, I see what distinguishes that practice from others, or what I would like to see, or how I would like to be treated. So the same way I try to treat all my patients.
Wow, that's very nice. Yeah, you
Thank
you
you.
are like following the golden rule, right?
Yes.
Do unto others what you want others to do unto you.
Absolutely.
Very, very
Absolutely.
nice. Yeah, thank you so much for that question.
Mhm.
I mean, for that answer. So, what are the common misconceptions about dental health with people? Because just like real estate, right? People don't think
Yes.
about real estate unless they need to buy or sell, right?
Right.
And people think that I don't need a dentist. My tooth is not hurting. Is that
Exactly.
a valid misconception?
Absolutely. I see a lot of my patients who come in, or even when I'm talking to friends and family, they always think that, okay, nothing is bothering me right now in my mouth, so I don't need to see a dentist. So that is the biggest misconception. The reason is when we are getting our care on a periodic basis, anything small that can be identified and prevented from turning into a bigger problem can be taken care of. And when we wait for until it starts hurting, that means it's already out of control and bigger treatments might be needed. So it's always a good idea, even if your teeth are hurting or not, to get your preventive care or oral health checked every 6 months. Not only in this practice, any practice. Go get your teeth checked, oral cavity checked every 6 months, so you can prevent those bad experiences or pain or any discomfort or even extensive treatments.
Wow, very sound advice because preventive medicine, right? Instead of
Absolutely.
waiting for things to get worse.
Absolutely.
Yes, there you go, guys. Don't forget.
Yes.
Yeah, another question is that can you share us a success story of one of your patients that you can share with us and people can learn about it and hear about it as well?
Yes, yes. Right after I took over the practice, I saw a patient who stopped taking ice creams, nothing sweet or cold, because patient's teeth were so sensitive.
Oh,
So for multiple years, more than 15 years,
oh my.
patient stopped taking anything cold, or even when in such hot weather. patient didn't want to take anything cold or sweet because the sensitivity the patient is experiencing was so bad. So after I saw the patient, we discussed what we can do for the patient, and patient believed in us, and we went over with the treatment. Right after the treatment is done, I gave patient a cup of cold water, and patient was able to enjoy that cup of cold water, and patient was immediately in tears, saying that, oh, it's been so many years since I had one cup of cold water. So that brought me joy. Patient was happy, and that made me feel this is what I work for. This is what doing dentistry means to me.
Wow, life-changing
Yes,
experience. Wow, I can just
yes,
imagine that person's experience. You know, I
yes,
mean, imagine can't even tolerate cold, and now here you are enjoying ice cream.
yes.
Especially now, summer is here.
Yes, yes.
That was a very good story. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Yeah, doctor, what role does community involvement play in your practice?
I believe a lot in community outreach programs because that I can get closer to my community through these outreach programs. Um, Community services have always been a part of my career. Even when I was in dental school, I used to be actively participating in community programs, and I even got an award for that.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. And after graduating, I also participated in community outreach programs. I used to volunteer in a homeless shelter where I go and treat the little kids who are in that homeless shelter. I did that for a few years until COVID hit. And then now I'm actively looking for options or opportunities how I can get back to my community, and here I am. I can do it much better through my own practice.
Wow, Dr. Gaddam, we're so glad you're part of the community now.
Thank
Fremont
you.
is a very nice community.
Yes.
You probably heard it. It's the happiest city
Yes.
in California, probably in the world. So a lot of happy people here, and with your dental practice, we're gonna have smiling teeth, you know, healthy teeth.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
we thank you for being here and being part of our community and doing your outreach. And we look forward to having you in the community.
It's a pleasure of mine.
So thank you again, Doctor. There you have it, Dr. Vichika Gaddam of the Dental People. You can find her at 3197 Stevenson Boulevard, Fremont, California, 94538. Their office number is 510-252-0555. Doctor, would you like to invite them?
Yes. Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Vichika Gaddam. I am located in Fremont. I would like to meet you all and take care of your oral health care needs. And if you have any kind of question, you can call us at our office at 510-252-0555, and we'll be more than happy to take care of you. You all have a great summer.
All right, dental people.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.